Hey everybody, it's Jake Brown from General RV. Welcome to our virtual showroom. Let's take a look at one of our beautiful units.
Thanks, Jake. Hey everyone, Matt with General RV. I have a pretty cool unit here for you today. One thing that we found out is a lot of our customers looking for something with kids that also brings a combination of both space, but you want to bring the whole family, and I think we hit the nail on the head with this one. So behind me is a 2021 Wildwood Heritage Glen 378 FL. So a lot of you know that the FL on the back of that model stands for front living, but there's also a surprise to this too. Let's go check it out really quick. A lot of the great features on this are on the inside, so I'm going to touch on a couple things on the outside that I think you should notice. There are two entries to this unit, which you'll see, but they both have the solid step feature on them, which comes standard, which is nice. In addition, a couple small little things that make it great for that family over the weekend or camping at any campsites. They're all going to be easily marked too, so obviously we like to spend as much time outdoors as possible. Cooking is a big thing including in that. So there is an LP quick connect for your barbecue grill right down here. Great storage space. There is an inverter too as well. Walking around to the back, well, to the side, we'll stop. You got a 110 outlet here, your cable hookup for the park here, and then also a quick mount for a TV here. That makes it really easy to just slide it down or slide it back out when you're ready to go. Walking around to the back, again, the second entrance right here, again with the solid steps, which is great. One thing I love too, being a pet owner, is this latch for the leash for our dogs. And also too, it talks about being shaded. So it's of course right under the awning, it's a great shade for our pets. Walking around to the back, you do have a ladder, so if you need to get up here and do whatever inspecting you need to do for your maintenance scheduled. And then back to the side, one thing I will mention you can see a little bit better here is this ground control 3.0. So it does have electric auto leveling on it, which is a great feature. Get to the campsite and then go ahead and set it up, push that auto level button and you're set. No more cranking jacks or worrying about manually leveling yourself. All-in-one hookup right here once you're at the campsite. This will include your fresh tank, your city water connections. You also have an outside shower here, which is nice. Hot water bypass and a black tank flush included in there as well. Great storage here in the front. You also have your spare tire. A lot of units you'll see you have your spare tire in the back or underneath the unit. And I'll kind of tell you why this one's here in the front compared to in the back in just a second. So one thing that makes this unit a bit different is it is a drop rail in the back compared to a straight frame on a fifth wheel as you usually see. So let's take a look why. So one thing you'll notice in this unit is I mentioned family earlier, but you're looking at it and probably thinking, this looks like a front living fifth wheel, which has got tons of space. How could this be a family unit? I'll get to that in a minute, but let's check the rest of it out. The first thing you'll notice when you walk in though, which I have to say is it's very bright, it's very open. There's a lot of modern touches to this unit, which is awesome, including the stairs, even just walking up here, and then the great space up here in the front living area. In addition, a nice big TV up here. You got a fireplace here that kicks a little bit of heat out if you need to as well. You got your sound system with your DVD player. Another feature on here too that I want to mention is you do have these opposing sofas. Now these are actually pull-out couches and not just jackknife. So you can actually sleep an additional 4 here on these 2 couches and they'll almost touch when it opens up. Nice reclining theater seats here, which are very comfortable. Great spot for the TV. Actually, all the locations I'd say would be great seats for viewing the TV, which sometimes it lacks in some units, I think too. Great big windows. Those do open too, so you get a nice cross breeze too if you like that breeze. I know I do. And then you also have the drop down shades, which make it pretty dark in here if you want it to. I love these too. This is a nice touch. Let's head down to the galley. So one thing, and even my video crew kind of was shocked by this, is this refrigerator. So I have yet to see a refrigerator like this before. This is, and we'll see a lot more units start to come with more Furrion appliances, but this is an awesome fridge. This is great for beverages. As you can see, there's a big window here. It's a 4-door fridge. It's a big window here and it opens up and it's almost like a beverage center on the side. This is so cool. And you also have the adjustable trays. These are screwed in right now, but you can move them out, obviously, so they don't slide in and out. But easy access, you can always view it, open window, awesome fridge, brand new, and of course you got plenty of space on both sides, in addition to the freezer. Awesome trays too down here at the bottom. That's a great idea. One of the coolest things I think I've seen lately. In addition to having the Furrion range as well, you also have the oven, and then also the microwave and the hood. So all matching appliances, really nice appliances. A big thing too in the kitchen is always storage. We have a lack of storage, it seems like, especially on something this size. But again, giving that front living, it opens up this center spot. Great gathering spot for the family. I know we spend a lot of time in the kitchen too. Plenty of storage. I'm liking this. Great spot for the dinette. There's a little extension that opens up. 4 chairs, seat comfortably here. Big windows, they do open too. So again, getting that cross piece through is great. Very nice feature. We're gonna head on to the back. Kind of have a little hallway here. A nice window on the side. And then I'm gonna open up the bathroom and we'll take a look in here. Now this has high ceilings throughout the whole unit and this carries on to the bathroom. So a big, nice shower, glass doors, they close. And I'm about 6 foot. I have no problem in here. Plenty of space, a seat here too, shelf, multiple shelving units, plenty of countertop space, little storage bins on the wall too, which is a great idea. And of course the medicine cabinet opens up. So this is what makes this unit very different. Again, I talked about having a family unit with a front living, which we don't see too much. Well, where do you get the family part? Where are the kids gonna go? Check this out. So this actually has a loft in the back above the rear bedroom. So we have that drop frame like I mentioned earlier. You have the bedroom that sinks down a little bit more, and that gives the additional space needed for the above loft, which is great for the kids. Obviously for an adult it might be a little bit tight, but enough for sleep if you needed to. But you got plenty of outlets up there, USB, you got some cubbies, plenty of spots. What a great little spot. And you're not sacrificing any room. Another thing you could use that for also is storage. Again, if you're seasonal, whatever you may need, throw some storage up there if you don't have kids, but you're not sacrificing space, which I think is a great piece of this unit. Let's check out the bedroom. Great big natural light bedroom, big windows, side windows over there, great bed. One thing I will mention on here too is it feels like it's so open because this bed is on a slide. So part of that is it opens up the whole room. You do have storage, more storage underneath here, that's huge. Tons of storage there. I see USB ports on both sides of the wall, outlets. Again, those windows open, so good cross breeze. You got storage over here on the left-hand side. I'll go ahead and open this up really quick so you can take a look. And that's pretty deep. So this would be great for a combination washer dryer. Plug, outlets, everything you need right there for the washer dryer hookup. And then of course, you do have a TV backer here. So if you want a pretty large TV, you could probably put right here. You got cable hookups, outlets, and then of course your dresser space, and then your wardrobe up top here. This is a great unit. So I think we covered most of the hot points on this Heritage Glen 378 FL. If you want to check one out for yourself, head on down to one of your local General RV Supercenters or check us out online at www.generalrv.com. Jake, back to you.
What a beautiful unit. If you haven't yet, please go to generalrv.com/virtual showroom to see more RVs, travel trailers, motorhomes, and fifth wheel tours. We'll see you on the lot.